I had a service call on this carrier unit. Customer complaint was that the thermostat was blank. So I came up to the unit. I checked to make sure I had main power coming into the unit. I had main power. Then I checked for my 24 volts. I had 24 volts coming out of the transformer. I checked between R and C. I did not have 24 volts. So I traced and see where did R go. Came over here, checked my schematic. You got high side 4230, then you got low side down there on the bottom. Just clear my camera up a little bit. And if you see, it goes through the IFML right here. That's 24 volts coming from the transformer. It goes through IFML, and that is the indoor fan motor overload switch. Come over here. I found this belt broken, and it was like stuck inside this pulley, and the motor is extremely hot right now. I'm gonna get my temperature probe and show you how hot that motor is with my meter. And that broke the 24 volts going to the R terminal on the thermostat board. That's why the thermostat wasn't getting any power. And I'm gonna show you how hot this motor is. Hold on, let me let my phone back. This motor, I'm gonna just lay this type K this thermocouple on it and show you. All right, see that? It's at 93, right? That motor is extremely hot. And then you can hear that's my service call. I'm gonna lay this rag on here to try to cool this motor off. And then I'm gonna try to start it back up. I got a new belt. And this is a carrier unit. I think it's a 5-ton.